Hello Moncescans, it's your Mama Mo here. I'm taking a short break with a glass of homemade State Fair lemonade. Today I'm going to show you 5 different ways of getting juice out of your lemon. And if you watch to the end, I'll also show you how I made State Fair lemonade. Although lemonade is usually a summer drink, now that we need to boost up our immunity, drinking lemonade is year-round in our household. The electric juicer is easy to use. You just put the sliced lemon on top of the reamer, press down, and it'll spin to get the juice out. The next tool I'm going to use would be a manual juicer. This is also easy to use. You just need a little bit of muscle to twist the lemon onto the reamer. The slots on the cover separates the seeds from the juice, and it makes it easier to pour out into your bottle. This next tool is a metal juicer. It works like a clamp, and you put the sliced lemon in between, press down, and the juice comes out. Not all of the juice really comes out from it. The next tool is a reamer. One end of this tool has a small reamer and the other end has a zester. You squeeze against the sides of the sliced lemon to get the juice out. This tool is handy if you're only juicing about 1 or 2 lemons. And the last tool that you can use, of course, are your own hands and a fork. You just press it along the inside of the peeled lemon and squeeze at the same time. And if you don't have any of these tools, of course, you can just use your hands to squeeze. But for some people like me who don't have a strong grip or strong hands to squeeze out the juice, these tools are helpful to use. So do you own any tools that are similar to this? Comment down below and let me know how you juice your lemons. Now let's get to making our State Fair lemonade. I discovered this recipe from Chef John. We just need 6 lemons and we're going to take out the zest using a peeler. I know it's easy to make lemonade, but the secret to this State Fair lemonade is also using the zest of the lemon. If you're making this lemonade for the first time, I would suggest following the measurements of the recipe first and then adjusting it later. So from the zest of the 6 lemons, we add 1 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. To make this lemonade, we don't only use the juice, we also use the peel or zest of the lemon. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share. The next step would be to just get the juice out of the peeled lemons. As you have seen the first portion of this video already, just take your pick of how to get juice out of those lemons. I just put the juice in a glass jar and put it in the refrigerator for now. After a minimum of 2 hours, you will see that the sugar and the zest mixture has become moist. We now boil the water and put it into the zest and sugar mixture. The boiling water will melt all the sugar. Make sure to strain out the zest from the liquid and then set aside the liquid to cool. You can already put the liquid in your pitcher to cool or leave it in the bowl. It's up to you. I boiled extra water and put it again into the strained peel. I set aside this extra water in case the lemonade becomes too tart. Now you can combine the sweetened zest juice with the actual lemon juice. Stir and serve with ice. After you've tasted the actual recipe, you can always add more water or sugar suited to your taste. That's it. That's refreshing.